guys, welcome to this video. Watch the video till the end to see all the amazing features of this exciting tool.
Hey guys, I'm Henry, I hope you are well. Watch this video till the end.
The first video clip you see is not real. It is generated by AI. You can also make videos like this for free. In this video, I will show you how you can make a video like this. Let's get started. First, open this website. Website link is given in description box. It has various features like AI avatar, AI voice, AI script generator, AI video translator, and AI talking photo. It allows you to use it on your mobile phone, on your desktop, and also online. We will show you how you can create AI videos through the online version. First, go to the online version, then log in. If you don't have an account, then create a new one. I'm done logging in. After login, you get 2 minutes of free video generation and 512 megabytes of free storage. Here you will see many types of avatars. Here you will find Chinese, Japanese, African, etc. There are many avatars here. You can use any avatar you like from here. Here you will find many options to select your avatar. I will select one from here. Let's make a video with this avatar. Select the ratio of the video by tapping on the Create button here. Here you will find many customization options. From here, you can customize the voice by editing speed, pitch, and volume. From here, you can change the avatar if you want to add another avatar. Another amazing feature here is the AI script. You can create your script from here. Let's generate one. I am trying to make a script about FIFA World Cup 2022 final. Let's generate it with an expanded version of. Here is the script about 2022 FIFA World Cup final. Here you will find another feature which is AI translator. You can translate your script into any language. Let's try one of these. I am writing a simple script here. Let's translate it into Bengali. After selecting the language, click on Apply button. Here are the results. Now let's make a video. Select voice from here. You can select any of them from here. You will find many options to choose from. I'm filtering it over a female English voice. By filtering, you will get many options to choose according to your preference. You can hear the voice before selecting. I am choosing this character for voice. Then write your script here. You can listen to the voice by clicking the Play Script button. Click the Export button after adding your script and voice. It will take some time to export. The export is done and the result is in front of you. You can download the video from here. Let's try with a male avatar. I'm choosing this one. After selecting it, write a script. You can also upload audio scripts from the desktop software and mobile application versions. The script is finished. Let's choose a character for voiceover. I'm choosing this one for voice. Now let's export this video. Here is the result. You can see how easy it is to make videos with a virtual avatar. You will also find many video templates from here. You can choose any template as per your choice. You can filter the video template as per your wish. There are many types of templates like e-commerce, advertising, social media, and more. Now let's try the video translator feature. Click here to translate your video. Now upload your video here. I uploaded the video. Now select the original language and select the language you want to convert to. You can also customize something from the Advanced Setting button. I am adding subtitles from here. Now click on Translate Video. I will take some time to convert. Until it converts, let's try another feature that is talking photos. Now select the character you want to choose. You will get many options for the character. You can upload your source photo here. I choose it. Let's make a video about this character. After selecting, click on Next button. From here, you can change the voice character. I am choosing this character from here. Now let's add something to the script. The script is done. You can also add background music. Now click the Create Video button. It will take some time to convert. Until it converts, let's see the result of Video Translator. Here is the result of Video Translator.
AI एलन रील्स अब बहुत चलन में है ऐसे और इस
Now let's see the result of AI talking photo. Here is the result of AI talking photo. You have seen how easy this amazing tool is to use. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Share this video with your friends and family.